This is the year I come back, unrecognizable. When people ask you, what's your plans for this year? What's your plans in this season? What are you going to accomplish over the next 90 days, 6 months, 2 years? You tell them, resurrection. I want to challenge you to step across your own invisible line, to do the thing you've postponed, to make the change that you have avoided. Because the future doesn't belong to the hesitant, to the passive, to the cautious. The future belongs to the bold, the courageous, the faithful. The future belongs to those who, when the world thinks you're crazy, you just tell them, I'm not crazy, I'm called. I refuse to let anybody take my crown. This is the year that every demon that celebrated your downfall will hear you prophesy, I'm coming back, I'm coming back. Let every circumstance that mocked you hear this declaration. Let every demon in hell that mocked you hear this declaration, I'm coming back. I got resurrection power in my DNA. Let every memory of failure be confronted by this truth. I didn't lose, I learned. This is the year that my hands build what my heart carries. This is the year that my feet enter into what my prayers pursued. This is the year that my eyes will see what my faith has been fighting for. And by the end of this year, you won't recognize me. You are not here to blend in, to live in obscurity. You are here to leave a mark. When you stretch beyond what you think is possible, you discover what actually is. And that discovery only comes when you are willing to take the risk of going too far. I don't care if you've been knocked down and knocked out. If you are breathing, there's always another round. I'm just looking for some people that no longer want to date the idea that it's possible, but they will marry the reality that they were born to do something. Let them warn you. Let them question you. Let them laugh at you. Let them ask you, are you sure it's possible? Are you sure you're the one? My plan is not to stay dead. My plan is not to stay down. My plan is not to remain immobilized, stuck in obscurity and indecision and oppression and insecurity. The plan, the vision, the aim, my target is not to live a life half speed. I was built to challenge limitations, to redefine expectations, to tear down the walls of Jericho that surrounded me. Because God did not put this power in me to buckle under pressure. This is the year of change. You're not just returning, you're rising. You're not just coming back, you're coming back different. You're coming back with evidence. You're coming back with fire. You're coming back with proof that the hand of God is on your life. When everybody doubted you, when everybody said you were done, you were finished, you were washed up, that you're all out of ideas and innovation, you're not canceled. You're not irrelevant. You are necessary. Your industry is not saturated. There's only one you. There will never be another you. You are an unrepeatable miracle. Nobody has your fingerprint. Nobody has your story. They did not understand your struggle. And they won't believe your comeback. Remember this, there will be seasons where you lose strength. That your weakness is not the end. The weakness that you feel, it is training. It is a calling to go deeper. There are seasons when you will lose your voice, but don't let the silence break you. There will be seasons where you don't feel relevant. You don't go viral. Even if you're impacting the life of one, make an impact and leave a mark. There will be seasons where you will walk alone, but the isolation will not kill you. You'll come out of that season with an anointing, with instructions, with a vision to execute. Your wilderness was not punishment. It was preparation. Those seasons of isolation where you felt as though you were going to break. Some of you thought God forgot you, that he was forming you. Some of you thought the delay was denial, that he was designing something in you, manifesting it within your heart. Something greater, something you had never seen, something unfamiliar, preparing you for uncharted territory, for you to go places you have never been. Some of you think that your battle is too heavy, but the weight you carry is proof that the hand of God is on your life. This is not the season, but the era where you say, enough is enough. No more hiding, no more shrinking back. This is the year where destiny says, get up. There's work to do. When destiny calls, excuses die. When purpose rises, fears retire. When identity awakens, limitations collapse. This is not the year where you negotiate yourself out of greatness. This is the year where you no longer bow down to insecurity, anxiety, and defeat. This is the year where you actually outgrow the people that used you. So lift your head, square your shoulders, activate your spirit. This is your moment. I'm coming back wiser. I'm coming back stronger. I'm coming back bolder. I'm coming back with authority. I'm coming back with heaven's backing. This is my year of change. The old me dies. The real me emerges. I'm no longer surviving. I am dominating. This is the year where everything changes. Thank you for thinking that you counseled me. Thank you for doubting me. I'm so grateful that you thought I was expired. I'm so grateful that you thought the season was over. I'm so grateful that you thought that I would never be relevant again. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Have a seat at the table that the Lord has prepared. Let us dine at the table of the resurrection. I want to thank everybody in this moment, genuinely from my heart. Thank you for doubting me. Thank you for trying to cancel me. Thank you for trying to puncture my progress and praying and hoping that I would drown in warfare. But you were a part of the motivation. You were a part of the story. You had to say what you said. You had to do what you did. It only made the testimony and the comeback that much sweeter. So thank you. The rest of my life will be the best of my life. I can promise you that. This is the year I come back. This is the year of my resurrection. I got resurrection power in my DNA.